Look around the room you are in. It all seems to be happening right now, live, instant, and perfectly present. But none of it is truly now. Everything you see is a little bit old. You are always looking into the past, because seeing takes light, and light needs time to reach you. So the light in your eyes is ancient, some of it older than you can imagine. You have never once seen the present. Once you see this, you cannot unsee it. Let me show you how far back you see. First, meet the messenger. Light. Light is the fastest thing there is. Nothing in the universe moves quicker. It could loop the earth many times a second. It feels utterly instant to us. But instant is not the same as infinite. Light still takes time to travel. A tiny amount over short distances. A huge amount across space. How far does light go in a year? That distance is called a light year. Trillions of miles in a single year. And space is far bigger than that. So light spends years just crossing it, which means old light is everywhere. Think of light as a slow letter, sent the instant something happens, but taking time to be delivered. The farther the sender, the older the news. You only read it when it arrives, always after the moment it describes. And that delay is the key to everything. Start as close as you possibly can. Look at your own hand. Light bounces off it toward your eye. That journey takes a sliver of time, a few billionths of a second, so you see your hand in the past, the freshest past there is, but still past. You never quite catch up to now. Blink, and even that is delayed. The nerves must carry the signal too, adding a whisper, more of lag. Seeing is never truly instant. Now look across the room, at a friend a few steps away. Their light takes a little longer, so you see them slightly further back. Tiny, yes, but never zero. Every face you love is a memory of light, always reaching you from just behind now. This delay hides in everyday life too. A live broadcast is never truly live. Signals take time to travel and process, so even live shows reach you slightly late. And your mirror plays the same trick. Its light bounces out and back to you, so you greet a slightly older you. You have never seen your own face live. Photos freeze this delay in place. Every image is already history, a snapshot of light that has moved on. You keep the past on your walls. Here is the pattern that changes everything. The farther away something is, the older its light is when it arrives. Distance is the same as looking back in time. It is like ripples on a still pond. The outer rings left earlier reach the far ring, and you touch the past. Space works exactly the same way, so let's travel outward, step by step, and watch the past grow deeper. Let's build a ladder of time. Each rung is farther and older. The bottom rung is your own hand. The top is the edge of all we see. Climb it and travel back in time, rung by rung, into the deep past, each step further from the present. Let's climb it together now. You already know this delay in sound. Lightning flashes, then thunder follows. Light beats sound to your senses easily. Light has the very same kind of delay. It is just far, far faster, so its lag hides until distances are huge. On Earth, the delay is too small to notice. A whole room crossed in a flash, so daily life feels perfectly instant. The lag only wakes up in space, where distances turn enormous. Then the past becomes impossible to ignore. Now leave the Earth behind. Look up at the moon. Its light took time to cross to you, about 1 1/3 seconds. So you see the moon in the recent past. Wave at the moon, just for fun. You greet where it was a moment ago, the nearest step back into cosmic time. Now turn toward the sun. Its light is much older when it lands. It travels for about 8 minutes, so you always see an 8-minute-old sun. The sunrise you love already happened. Imagine the sun simply blinked out. You would not know for 8 whole minutes. Feel the warmth on your skin. That warmth is 8 minutes old. Sunlight is always a message from the past. Look at a scene lit by the sun. Even your shadow is drawn by old light. Nothing the sun touches is truly current. It is all lit by the recent past. Push further, past the sun. The planets are further still. Their light can take minutes or hours. Jupiter shines from over half an hour back. A wandering point of light is a planet. Its glow is reflected sunlight, delayed twice, out to the planet, then back to you. You see a whole family of different pasts, all arriving in the same glance. A solar system of layered time. Sunlight reaches each planet in turn, then bounces on toward your eye, so planets glow with double delay. A layered clock made of light. Now leave the solar system entirely, out to the very nearest star. Its light is astonishingly old, over 4 years to reach your eye. Whole seasons passed as it traveled. You see it as it was years ago, a star from your own past, in the sky, and that is the closest one of all. The rest are far, far deeper in time. Step to the next stars out. Their light is decades old, some centuries on the road, each glow a little older than the last. Look at any constellation. The stars seem to sit side by side, as if they belong together. But it is a flat illusion. They lie at wildly different distances, so their light is from different eras. One star may be centuries old, its neighbor thousands of years, a picture stitched from many pasts that only looks like a single moment. The hunter, the bear, the great ship, all are tricks of flattened distance. Their stars never truly met, only your view lines them up. And here is the eerie part. Some stars you see are already gone. They died long ago, but their light is still on its way. So you see a star that no longer exists, a ghost, shining in the dark. A dying star can flare up bright, an explosion that happened ages ago, its light only reaching us now. The sky is full of these echoes, so the night sky is not a snapshot. It is not a single moment at all. Every point of light left at its own time, from seconds ago to ages past. Sort the sky by when its light left. The nearest specks are almost fresh, the faintest are unimaginably old, all arriving together. Right now, a postcard written across the ages, a collage of countless different pasts. No 2 points share the same moment. The sky mixes every era at once, fresh light beside unthinkably old light, all woven into one calm scene. Look at the soft band of the Milky Way, a glowing river of distant stars. Its light left thousands of years ago, from stars scattered across our galaxy. You see our home as deep history, a memory of the galaxy, softly shining. Its glow is countless distant suns, blurred together by sheer distance, each one shining from its own past, a river of ancient mingled light. Now find the Andromeda Galaxy, the farthest thing your eyes can see alone. Its light is 2.5 million years old. It left before modern humans existed. It is a whole city of stars, bigger than our own galaxy, yet only a faint smudge to your eye. You are seeing an ancient galaxy with your own naked eyes, a time machine free for anyone. Now flip the whole idea around. Imagine looking back at Earth from afar, from millions of light years away. You would see Earth's deep past. Dinosaurs might still roam the view, their light still crossing the void. Distance turns any world into a memory, including our own, seen from out there. Somewhere, our past is still on display, streaming outward in every direction. A history no one can call back, written permanently into the light. Now pick up a telescope. It gathers light from much further away, and the farther it looks, the deeper into the past it sees. A telescope is a time machine, peeling back layer after layer of time, a slow rewind of the whole cosmos. The larger the reach, the older the view. Point it at the darkest, emptiest sky, and faint galaxies slowly appear, billions of light years away. So you see them billions of years back, as they were when the universe was young, long before the Earth even formed, still forming their very first stars. A photograph of the cosmic dawn. We are watching the universe grow up, its whole childhood laid out in light. The deeper we look, the younger it gets. A history book made of starlight, pushed to the very edge of what we can see. past the first stars and galaxies, to the oldest light in existence, a soft glow filling all of space, the afterglow of the beginning itself. It comes from every direction at once. It has traveled almost since time began. The baby picture of the universe. Picture all of it as a giant onion. You sit at the very center. Each shell is a layer of time. Nearby shells show the recent past. Distant shells show the ancient past. You always see the shell, never the core. So you look outward and backward together, wrapped in shells of arriving light. Every direction points into the past. Up, down, and all around. There is no window onto the true now, only these shells of ancient light. But even light has a limit. It can only travel so far in the time it had. So there is a horizon around you, a bubble of everything you could ever see. Beyond it, light has not yet arrived. Whole galaxies may lie beyond it, their light still on its long way here. You sit inside a sphere of arriving history, so think about what this means. You can never see the present, not the stars, not the sun, not even your own hand. Everything arrives already old. Sight is always a kind of memory. Now is always just out of reach. You live a heartbeat behind reality. The present slips away as you watch, forever hidden by the trip light takes. You chase a moment you cannot hold, and that is simply how seeing works. But this is not a loss. It is a strange and wondrous gift. Every glance is a walk through time. Your eyes reach across the ages, gathering light from 1,000 pasts, the near and the ancient. Side by side, light is a patient traveler, crossing oceans of empty space, carrying old scenes to new eyes. Every starry night is a homecoming. So the next time you look up, remember what you are really seeing. Not the universe as it is, but the universe as it was, a living museum of ancient light. You are not just watching the stars, you are looking back through time itself. We are made to look outward, and looking out, we look back, every generation under the same old stars, sharing light that predates them all. The sky connects us across the ages, a quiet inheritance from the cosmos. So slow down under the night sky. Let the old light find you, each star a distant, patient hello, sent long before you were even here, arriving at last in your eyes, a gift of ancient light. Just for you, think of how far that light has come, across a cold and silent void, for years or eons without stopping, just to end its journey in you. You are the shore it washes up on, the final page of its long story, and every night, more of it arrives, a tide of history, never ending, from the nearest lamp to the first dawn, all of it, a little bit old, all of it, still beautiful. So you will never see the true now, but you get something rarer instead, a view stretching across all of time, the whole past glowing above you, waiting patiently for you to look up. So tonight, step outside and look, and let the ancient light come home.